Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chef Food Channel. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to unbox Anex citrus juicer. As you can see how beautiful its packing is. It is a citrus juicer. You can make juice of oranges and other citrus fruits. It has two colors, black and white. 2 years warranty. Super citrus juicer by Anex. 40-watt super high quality. This is black in color and it is made in Germany. So basically this is the outer box of citrus juicer. Now we are going to unbox it. It is nicely packed. It contains a warranty card, I guess. Let's see what is it. So this is the guarantee card of Anex citrus juicer. Here you can write the name of customer and address and also the date. So now we are going to moving toward instruction for use. It contains the whole procedure, how to use it. Alright, you can read all the instructions, how to use it for the first time. Basically it is not hard to use. Wow, it's very beautiful in its looks. Now I'm going to show you its upper part, in which the citrus fruit orange will be placed. It contains 3 parts, total 4 parts. So this is the basic jug. 1000 ml is the maximum capacity of this jug. You can make 1 liter juice in it. It is quite good. Both sides of it contain 1 liter markings. Now this is the base and it contains the plug, electric plug. It is super easy to use. You can see how beautiful it is. So I am putting it how its jug is placed. No lock is placed over here. You can just put the jug onto it and then this squeezer. You can press it like this and then the half orange will be placed and upper part will be used to press the orange to make juice. You can remove it and place the juice like this. This is Anex citrus juicer. I hope you guys like my video. Kindly like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye till my next video. Stay tuned to my video for more latest updates. Bye bye.